Hey, what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the Sass, exploring all the finer things in life. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from me, your girl. Guys, today's video is another unboxing video. I'm realizing that you guys enjoy my unboxing videos the most, so I came back with another. With that being said, I found a Black-owned luxury designer brand. His name is Nathaniel Noir, and I have to purchase one of his bags. I love it, and I was excited. I was excited to receive it, and that's what we're gonna be unboxing today, okay? So this unboxing is strictly from a Black-owned luxury brand. I try to support Black-owned business brands as much as I can. I'm so happy that I found him. I found him off Instagram. I thought it was a great idea to purchase one of his items. So with that being said, it's right here. I kind of opened it. This is the box that it came in here, right here. I ordered myself a bag, one of his bags, and yes, so let's get into this. Let's get into this unboxing. Comes with a little card. Thank you for supporting. A specialty piece for someone special like yourself, handmade with love. Each piece is customized by Nathaniel Noir, okay? So this is from Noir Apparel. Noir X Apparel, if anyone's interested. It says the same thing on the back. Comes in a little dust bag, which is good. Wow, she is beautiful. She is beautiful. As you can see, if you're real close, you have Nathaniel Noir right on the bag. This is the handle right here. If you want to wear it, you know, across your shoulder. This is how inside the bag looks. It has a little pocket right there. Is there another pocket? Nope, just this pocket right here, and then the rest is here inside. So guys, I purchased the Python mini bag from Noir X, Nathaniel Noir, and I decided to get one bag because I don't have like tiny bags. Like I see a lot of girls walk around with these tiny little bags. I don't know what they put in it. I don't even know what I'm gonna put in here because I actually love big bags. Like the bags that I do carry, it's huge. It has everything. My planner, anything. Makeup bag, pencil case, perfume, all types of stuff. So I went with the mini bag because recently, if you guys remember, sometime last year or 2 years ago, I unboxed my very first Louis Vuitton purchase, which was the key ring. It's like a little purse where you hold your key in, and I actually been just carrying that around with my cell phone because sometimes it's not every day that I like to just walk around with a big old bag everywhere. Sometimes I just like to grab and go. So I said, you know, maybe it'll be a good idea to just get another little bag just for going out purposes. I got red because I know that it matches a lot of my wardrobe and my outfits that I have in my closet. So that's why I went with this one. She's cute. She's cute. And I think, you know what? I think she's actually really big enough. Like, I think so. Like, I think she's big enough to carry like my stuff in. Little size there. You guys want to see? You guys want to see how she looks on? Let's go downstairs and we're gonna try her on with the straps on. I'm gonna see if I can put my little key ring pouch from Louis Vuitton and maybe my cell phone, because I think that's all that can fit in here, honey. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm not wearing anything in particular. I'm not dressed up or anything, okay? I'm just in regular clothes, and don't mind my wonderful tree. I'm in the process of taking it down slowly but surely. I have all my little decorations and wrappers in this box right here, but I still have to just take it apart and put it in my basement. So don't watch my tree back here, okay? Anyways, so this is the bag. This is the strap. Earlier on I called it the handle. It's the strap right here. So I'm just gonna put it on like so. Okay. Gonna put it on, oh, like so. Okay, that's how it is going on. There it is, guys. I would wear it just like this. Would never want to wear it like long, like it's perfect just like this. And I'll probably wear it in front of me just to make sure, or who knows. All right, so here it is, guys. Let's see what fits in this bag. Okay, so this is my little ottoman, guys. This blanket, just an FYI, is from Queen Knots. She does all types of different crochet outfits, crochet scarves, crochet hats. I made her make me this crochet blanket right here. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love crowns. So I had her make me a pink and black blanket with crowns on it, as you guys can see. So in case you guys are interested, make sure you go to Queen Knots. You know, just tell her what you want and she'll do it for you. So just in case y'all are wondering, because I love this blanket. Like I hardly ever use it. I just use it to just decorate. Anyways, okay, so like I said, it's the inside of the bag. This is my cellular device. I'm gonna put her in there. Let's put her in the pocket. Oh, the pocket's too, well, the pocket's not small, but if I put her in the pocket, it's still going to just be like, my bag won't be able to zip up. Okay, so we're gonna put her in my bag like this. I think I'm gonna have to put her sideways. Oh yeah, because if I put her like this, let me see. My bag's not able to zip up. You see, this is what I say about small bags. Like small bags, like you can't be carrying no big old hefty, you know, anything big. I'm gonna carry my Chanel lotion because I be needing to lotion my hands. Just a little lip gloss that I have here. I'm gonna put her in a small pocket right there. That fits. This is my, if you guys remember, my Louis Vuitton, first Louis Vuitton purchase. Just a quick review. Like, yo, this is like everything to me. Like, more times this is all I carry. Like when I'm in a rush, I just carry this. Like I said, it has all my little cards in there like I need. Like sometimes I don't even be needing to be doing the most or carrying a whole bunch of bags. So this is definitely my lifeline. This is from Kizzy Keychains. As you guys know, for those who know me, you guys know I used to call myself the HBIC. I still do. I still have my chain, and I got this keychain made. She made me another keychain, but I had so much keychains on this and it started to become really heavy. So yeah, this is on this. I got these from Vegas. So yes, let's put the keys in. It works out. Let me zip her up. Uh-oh. It might be a tight one. A little bit tight, but there you go. Everything fits. All I will probably need is like perfume, a travel perfume, and that's it. Like, or even my charger. Let me see if I have space. My phone is always dying, so, because I use it so much, so I could probably fit my charger somewhere in there. But that's pretty much it. Like, I probably put my charger. This is how it looks inside there. As you can see, my keys, my cell phone, my lotion, and my little lip gloss there. So yeah, totally worth it. Definitely, especially if you're going out to like a party or a gathering. Like, remember, when you're going out to a party or gathering, you don't need so much stuff. All you really need is like, what, your ID, money, perfume, cell phone, lip gloss, maybe a charger. Like, you don't need much when it comes to these little bags. So this is it, guys. This is a Nathaniel Noir luxury, black owned luxury essential bag. like, okay? Finally got my hands on one of these. I'm so happy. I would definitely recommend, suggest, you know, we've got to support our peoples out there, straight up. All right, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And like I said, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Again, this is my unboxing, Black-owned luxury brand, Nathaniel Noir. Make sure you guys follow him on Instagram. I'm gonna leave his links down below so you guys can go on the site and purchase too. All right, bye boos.